Hey guys, what we're going to do today is talk about how you would connect your Wilo MAXO to your Bluetooth device on your phone and connect to the app, as well as update the software. So I was able to use both screens here, one off my iPhone and one off the Wilo, obviously. And the apps between Apple and Android are pretty similar, so you won't notice much of a difference if you scroll through either version. So again, this is the iPhone version. We're going to connect Smart Connect, and we're going to start scanning. Now, I happen to be in close proximity with a handful, and I know that I have labeled this one for my boiler pump one, so we're going to connect to that. If you didn't know which pump was which and you hit that button like that, you would learn quickly because the screen would change, and that would indicate what pump you were connecting to. So we're going to enter our code 0732, and that changes every time. And then that connects your Wilo MAXO to your Bluetooth device or your smartphone and lets you connect to the app. So now we're going to try to update the software. We're going to diagnostics, pump update, and then it'll connect to the pump and the internet and give you a good list of what updates this pump needs. So actually you can see this one has never been updated. So we have a couple to connect to here. You're going to click download, and depending on your internet connection, will dictate how long that is. Once you get the update, it will go through and start giving you a countdown. Depending on how long this takes, I may pause this and jump right to the end. So that one thing you might want to do, it does say this may take a while. Upload 0.2%. Usually what I do at this point, if you can, just, all right, 2.1%, I'll just set the phone right on top of here and let it do its thing. Go have a Coke and come back and check on it. So we got to about the 90% point, which took about a half hour, and it started doing this option of checking files. So we'll wait a minute and see what happens next. So it got to the update, it rebooted. Now it says back to scan page. All right, guys, so we're back. I paused and let it run its course and let you know, just for total disclosure, it took about a half hour. So if we go back and open our Wilo-Assistant, go to our Smart Connect, look for our pump. Mind you, I already named this BP1 because I know it's on my boiler pump 1. You can connect to that again. 0366 diagnostics pump update. You can see that the version we downloaded is now right there, and it'll check to see if there's any other updates. So we had 2 updates on this. One is done, it's right there. Bring that in closer, you guys can see it right there. And then if we wanted to update the next one, we'll just click right there, download, and let it do its thing. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Have a good day.